When I saw her walking by with a twinkle in her eye, there was something in that smile that did drive a brother wild. By the way she looked at me, I was sure it would be nothing more than a man trying to solve a mystery. Hey, lady, why don't you be my baby? It's driving me crazy, only watching you. Maybe I'm just not your type, but I'm hoping I'm just right. Come on girl, it's worth a try. I just need you to be mine. So if ever you are free and a friend you need, I'm nothing more than a man trying to start a history. Hey, lady, why don't you be my baby? It's driving me crazy, only watching you. One day we'll look back in time on the moments that flew by, and we'll laugh until we cry, 'cause we'll know deep inside joy can be so bittersweet. Hand in hand, you and me, we're nothing more than a love that lasted for eternity. Hey, lady, I'm so glad you're my baby. It's driving me crazy, lying here with you. Hey, lady, yes, I'm so glad you're my baby. It's driving me crazy, lying here with you. It's driving me crazy, lying here with you. It's driving me crazy, lying here with you.
One, two, three.
Drove across the Natchez Bridge today. You opened up the door. Had to be wondering, what's this handle for? You gave us both a heart attack, like you do most every day. Lord knows we wouldn't have it any other way. Hey rivers, oh rivers, you're a joy tornado. Rivers, just like your name, you're making your way back home. You saw a squirrel, you thought it was a monkey. Big old smile, and said that you were funny. Every day's a party when you live like an ice cream cake. In a candy store with a criminal's grin, chocolate running down your chin again. Skipping stones at sunset down at Nickajack Lake. Hey rivers, oh rivers, you're a joy tornado. Rivers, just like your name, you're making your way back home. Hey rivers, oh rivers, moving like all those Tennessee rivers, going to the ocean, making their way back home. Why should you walk when you can run? Moving at a slow pace isn't any fun. So take the time to say hello, making new friends wherever you go. Hey rivers, oh rivers, you're a joy tornado. Rivers, just like your name, you're making your way back home. Hey rivers, oh rivers, moving like all those Tennessee rivers, going to the ocean, making their way back home. Just like a road trip, making your way back home. Just like your name, you're making your way back home.
Morning, darling, how'd you sleep? I've been waiting patiently for the road to bring you home. Take your time and take your rest. Take your place here on my chest. We'll watch the day until the light is gone. You're my quiet sip of wine, midnight walk in the rain. You're the writing on the wall when you whisper my name. So I hold on.
Morning, lovely, how'd you sleep? Finally, it's just you and me while we watch the day roll on. Took my time and caught my breath. I can say with no regret, sure as the road was long, I'm right where I belong. You're my fire, my desire. You're my moment of truth. Every answer, every question leads me on home to you. So I hold on.
Still stuck in this house with a mind full of doubts. Tired of staring out the window. Eating too much, drinking too much. Tired of watching the grass grow. Channel 2, Channel 3, back to Channel 2. I watched everything in my queue. So put me on a train, I don't care where it's going. Fly me on a plane, maybe out to Wyoming. Need an RV, no plans, just you and me. I need to go somewhere. Still watching the rain, kids driving me insane. Another Groundhog Day routine. Stuck in my head, existential dread. What in the world does it mean? Month 2, month 4, can't take it anymore. I got to get my feet out the door. So put me on a train, I don't care where it's going. Fly me on a plane, maybe out to Wyoming. Need an RV, no plans, just you and me. I need to go somewhere. I need to go somewhere. Skateboard, cruise ship, submarine, DeLorean. On a horse and a Porsche, on a boat with T-Pain. Swim like a mermaid, maybe all the way to Spain. Listen, Karen, I'll even ride on my rollerblades. I need to go somewhere. I need to go somewhere. I need to go somewhere.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away. Cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all